So I found a solution to these cheap, disposable, very expensive, flimsy trays that come with my self-cleaning litter box. This is a Nature's Miracle second edition. A lot of them are a little bit different. This one has the tab right there, which normally, let me take this off. These snap off on mine. I've got the box there. I'll explain why in a minute. Normally you would slide this in as your lid, and you'd have to constantly replace this thing. It's a big pain. So what I've got in there right now is a more permanent solution. It's got a tab here. You pull it out. I have one that doesn't have a bottom on it, so it's like a chute, but it's bottomless. So right now I just have a plastic bag on it, and you just put that in there. It helps if you lift up the lid a little bit when you slide this in and out. So when I slide in and out, if you lift it up slightly, it helps to do that. And the bottom just kind of hangs there because I have the whole system elevated. And I've got it elevated on some filing trays. I really didn't know what else to use. It's just these cheap couple dollar filing trays. That's literally all I have it on right now. The only thing I noticed, this tab used to go, I think it used to go over slightly, and this new one kind of goes under. So there's a little bit of litter falling in here sometimes, but nothing major. And it's usually clean litter. It's not really a big deal. So the other problem you have to correct is this thing when you snap it on now. Oh, this side is being a pain. Okay, it doesn't quite fall like it used to. It used to be more of a ramp. Now it's like straight down. And what happens sometimes is that the litter box will open and it'll either pop off or it'll stay open and it won't close because there's these little stoppers here that stop it from going, and though the stoppers are in a different position, it doesn't want to close. So that's why I have added this Velveeta cheese box. Now the Velveeta cheese box is about the same height as the tab on that I just pulled out. It's about that height. And that way, when it opens, it stops it right there and it goes back and closes. So that is my solution to spending tremendous amounts of money on these stupid things. I am using for the bags, I'm just using this, it's the 4-gallon size. And they're pretty cheap. I don't want to use plastic at all, to be honest with you. I'm trying to look for a different solution. If you have any tips for that, I'd love to hear them. But you could just have a tray underneath there that you slide out and dump. The problem is that it's going to get stinky. So I just emptied this one out, for example, and I got a lot of stuff in there. I wasn't able to change it every single day, which is why I hated these things. They didn't hold much. So I'm able to go quite a bit longer. I'm also using, there's no sponsorship or anything like that. I just noticed that the Tidy Cat Free and Clean for Us works the best for a litter. Some people have trouble with these machines because they are using crystals or something else that's not working out. So for us, this is working out amazing. I have 2 cats. The litter box always looks like this. It rarely gets clumped up and problematic. It's a great system. I like it a lot, and I like it even more that I have these add-on pieces. I just wish it came with these to begin with. Shouldn't have to rely on the company to keep buying these stupid things. So I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope it helps you out.